my YouTube channel, the Darren68. I'm at an overpass on I-27, about halfway between Abernathy and Plainview. I come out here every once in a while. It's like a mini little road trip, just for a drive. And I come here because you can see, I don't know how far, in every direction. From top of this overpass. It's kind of cloudy today. It looks like it's going to storm again today, as the last couple of days. We're going to read a historical marker that's down here by these trees, and we're going to go over here to this rest stop. And we'll be doing that right now. I'll take just a minute to read this historical marker. It's here off I-27 in Hale County. The Stant Ray Stage Stand. Early settlers in this area kept in touch with the world by picking up their mail at railheads. Federal mail delivery to post offices began when W.L. Tharp took a route from the new railroad town of Amarillo to Plainview in Estacada in July and August 1888. There were no roads. The road trip took 6 days. About 1889, W.H. Fua of Amarillo, who had a new U.S. mail contract, used a compass and laid off a route for several stations, one at Plainview. He soon added passenger service, but then disposed of that line, which about 1890 fell into the hands of Stant Ray and Robert Montgomery. Buying out Montgomery, Ray carried the mail for 19 years. Sidney Stant Ray was a small redheaded man who drove wild Spanish mules hitched to a buckboard or carriage. He made the 240-mile trip from Amarillo to this area 3 times a week, with later route changes and better roads, he came this way daily. 6 miles east of this spot, he had a mule corral and a dugout. Stage passengers and mail patrons used the dugout as a waiting room until railroads outmoded his service. Stant Ray's route and stage stand were important in the development of the South Plains. Okay, now we're at a rest stop in Hale County. I call it the Hale County rest stop. No, there's this part of it here, and then on the other side of the road it's exactly the same. This is an interesting rest stop. It's got a storm shelter. It's got Wi-Fi. There's bathrooms, real clean bathrooms, and vending machines. This is a place where truckers come and just to spend the night. They'll just park their trucks and spend the night here. There's one there. Kind of a little home away from home here by the side of the highway. This highway, I-27, is a very busy highway. A lot of the trucks come through here going, well, these are, it goes up to Amarillo that way, north. There's a lot of of these picnic tables. It's kind of strange. I mean, there's a lot of picnic tables and barbecue grills, and there's a whole bunch of them. Like a whole lot of people are just going to come here for their picnic. It would be a pretty good place if you were off the road, or even if you wanted just to come out here. 'Cause that's what I do. I come out here just to walk around and walk the dog, and I find some kind of peace out here, because to me, sometimes I just like to sit here and watch the traffic go by, and the sound of it is kind of soothing to me. I like to think about all the people and all the in the vehicles and all the purposes they have to be on the road. That guy's delivering some pizza stuff. I like to think about all the different purposes and all the money that is involved with people on this road, and it's busy. It's stormy today, and this place here, in my opinion, would be the perfect headquarters for a storm chaser team, because there's tornadoes out here all of the time, and you've got your bathroom and your storm shelter right there. So I think this would be a great place to do that. Go this way. I'm going to show you a little bit of the facilities, just so you can see how nice it really is. Come here, Glory. I'm going to tie Glory up here so I can go in here real quick. Let's see. There's people here. The highway patrol comes in here and checks in all the time. This is what's next door. They have a display. And then here's the men's room. You can see it's really clean. Really nice. Okay, is she still there? Glory! Have you had a good time, Glory? Good. Okay, this is going to be it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.